Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how you can easily blend layers together to really create really cool imagery like the one you see in front of you here. As you see at the moment, this lady looks like she's falling through the water here and she has come from another image, and all I had to do was blend our two images together to really create a really cool looking design. What I'm going to do is keep our top layer highlighted there, just press backspace to remove, just to start off with the two original images. I have the lady here on her own individual layer, and I have the background layer of the ocean. Now, to this top layer, what I need to do is apply a blending mode, and this is where the blending starts to come in. So if we come through here, as you can see, as we go through, we really get some really cool results. But the one that I would like to be using for this particular instance will be called linear light. Now, as you can see, look, all the rocks and the coral here is coming through a sort of transparent dress. You can see the shadow, the reflection from the sun there, affecting her skin. Really cool and really effective. What I'd like to do now is also apply a curves adjustment layer. So I'm just going to come up here and press our curves. And I just want to come through and just manipulate these points here, just to really sort of bring in some more realism into the image. And there you have it, guys. As simple and as easy as that. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.